What's good, Gadget Squad? Today I'm confessing that I've been gatekeeping harder than Heimdall in Thor. I've shown a lot of Zippos in my collection, but I've never shown the lighter that started it all for me. This lighter is the stepping stone to every lighter you see on my channel. I ordered my very first Zippo from Cave & Post Trading Company. They're a mercantile boutique in Arizona, and they carry curated collections of quality apparel. I got this case directly from Zippo, but I'll link everything in the description. Their Zippos are so unique, I reached out to Patrick Birch, one of the owners, to gain insight on how their Zippos were made. And here's what he let me in on. Cave & Post works with a small metal shop in order to age and customize brand new Zippos. This one's called Broken Arrow, and it's the very first Zippo in my collection. These are all done by hand and one at a time, so each one is going to be a little different. He says the difference depends on the artist and how much they were drinking at the time. So just look the other way if your package smells a little like alcohol. Mind your business. Being located in Arizona, they mostly use Southwestern and Native American motifs. But check out their other Zippos and things in their collection and you'll see what I mean. Another thing I appreciate is that they gave us a brass insert instead of the standard, which is chrome. So that's just another thing that separates this from, your average. Now that the gate is open, don't forget to subscribe for more. Peace.